Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, EduKitchen Recipes for Learning, where we provide online educational support for your learning needs in maths and English. My name is Dani Khalfa and I'm the CEO and founder of EduKitchen Recipes for Learning.
We at EduKitchen believe that together with students, we can build recipes for learning that they will cherish forever. Sharing of knowledge is important to learning success, and that is why we have a blog section on our website. Through our blogs, we provide tips and strategies for students to help take control of their learning.
And with that, I would like to now share with you 10 tips on how to engage in learning with your teacher in the online classroom.
Tip 1. Recognize that what you know matters.
The knowledge you bring to the classroom is valuable to everyone, even the teacher.
Tip 2. Share your ideas in class as a way to add insight to a topic.
Your ideas in the classroom could be just the information that others are looking for to help them make the connections to the topic.
Tip 3. Set goals for your learning.
Build your enthusiasm by setting realistic goals for learning the topic. It's not just about getting that A+, it's about gaining knowledge and gaining experience with the topic.
Tip 4. Share your goals with your teacher.
I have spent almost 20 years in education, and now I have more experience with online teaching. And when I learn about student goals, I will know better how to support and help them build their confidence with the subject when I see that they are excited about learning the topic.
Tip 5. Ask questions when you don't understand. It doesn't help anyone when you just say, "I don't understand." You need to say more.
It's important for students to hear meaningful questions in the classroom because you may be asking the questions that others may be thinking about but couldn't find the words to ask the question.
Tip 6. Recognize that it is okay you don't understand. There will be others just like you, just more shy.
We all experience making mistakes in our learning, and it's definitely important to recognize that it's okay that we make mistakes and accept it. And when we do that, we make our learning process easier. So it's important that you ask those meaningful questions whenever you don't understand something in the classroom so that you will be able to understand and explain it better later on.
Tip 7. Answer questions others may have about the subject.
When you are able to support your fellow classmates by answering their questions in the classroom, you help to support the other student and make them feel better about their question, and you help yourself in building your confidence and enthusiasm for the subject.
Tip 8. Be polite in correcting the mistakes of those around you.
As I mentioned earlier, making mistakes is part of the learning process. And once we recognize that mistakes can actually help the learning process, we need to be aware of how we respond to others when they make mistakes. Being polite and choosing your words carefully can help build another student's confidence instead of destroying it with words that make them feel bad about making a mistake. So please be polite when answering and correcting your fellow students' mistakes.
Tip 9. Offer to help with activities in the online classroom.
Well, we all know that there could be this awkward silence in the online classroom when a teacher asks a question. Okay, everyone, let's start with a review about integers with a question about what the positive sign and what the negative signs mean. As a review, what words in English represent the positive signs in math? Hello? Can you hear me? Is my microphone working? Yes, miss, we can hear you. Okay, wonderful. So who knows the answer? So as you can see, when you offer to help in solving the questions your teacher may be asking you in class and participating in activities, you're actually helping to stop the cricket sounds.
Tip 10. Recognize your teacher welcomes your help.
2020 has brought us some challenges in education, and that is getting familiar with the online learning environment for most teachers around the world. And with that, when students offer to help their teachers in any way they can, even by offering a nice, polite words of support, you do wonders for the teacher's confidence in being able to conduct the class online. And so help your teacher in any way you think you can, and you can make a difference in their life.
And there you have it, our top 10 ways to engage in learning with your teacher in the online classroom. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.